Your honeymoon or romantic getaway to Bali can include a lot of gorgeous sunsets. These fantastic bars allow you to enjoy a romantic sunset together while sipping on a freshly crafted sparkling beverage. Bali is home to a fantastic selection of bars that make excellent use of dramatic settings, from seaside locales to gorgeous rooftops that can serve you soaring vistas. Here, we've compiled a list of the top sunset bars on the island, where talented bartenders craft specialty drinks. Bali's sunsets give your evening the final magical flourish it needs to be perfect. Now let's move on to this amazing sunset scenes. Number 1. Rock Bar at Ayana. One of Bali's most recognizable bars, the Rock Bar at the Ayana Resort and Spa, is unusually located at the base of a remote limestone cliff. A popular signature cocktail from the bar is the Spa on the Rock, which combines vodka with blackcurrant liqueur, blueberry, cranberry juice, and brown sugar. The permanent music director creates moods for the exceptional views, and top-tier international DJs frequently perform there. Its open-top platform is skillfully incorporated with the existing rock formation. The Rock Bar is ideal for couples because of the ambient lighting from around the bar, the shades at sunset, and the traditional fishing boat lanterns over the seascape that contribute to the dramatic appeal. 2. Sundara at Four Seasons Jambaran. Visit Sundara for top-notch cocktails in a stunning seaside location. Favorites include the gin, lime cordial, and tonic water concoction Jim-led Foxtrot. The Paloma of Sundara, made with tequila, grapefruit honey soda, and lemon juice, is one example of a classic with a twist. The Four Seasons Resort in Jambaran's renowned beach club and opulent bar has a view of the bay's southernmost curve. With its blue infinity pool and daybeds under the shadow of trees, the venue's design fits in nicely with the surroundings of the bay. Couples seeking intimacy can find spots in the specialized bar and outdoor area. Full opening floor-to-ceiling windows inside offer expansive views of the bay and calming sea breezes. Most evenings, resident DJs aid in creating a laid-back atmosphere. 3. Finn's Beach Club. The Finn's Beach Club on Canggu's Beirawa Beach is a notable location in the neighborhood thanks to its spectacular all-bamboo bar setting beside a blue-tiled freeform infinity pool. You have the option of staying inside where it's cozy and you can see the Beirawa surf, or outside by the pool where there are more expansive ocean views and breezes. It's one of the best places to relax in Canggu for amazing sundowning moments for sunset lovers and romantics. When you're not relaxing on their single or double daybeds with parasols, you can head to the 30-meter infinity pool, get a drink from the swim-up bar, and listen to mellow music through underwater speakers. Finn's unique concoctions from the bar include the Strawberry Balsamic Crush, which combines vodka, balsamic vinegar, strawberry juice, and lime juice. 4. Kudartar. Kudartar, a staple of Bali's nightlife, has a lot to offer, especially for those looking for love. The upmarket beachside location has a restaurant, a bar, a centerpiece sunset lawn along the coastline, where all the big events take place, and a unique private loft for exclusive VIP moments. The club's main restaurant includes French bistro-esque elements and numerous cozy nooks to savor. The restaurant provides Kudartar specialties, like the coconut strawberry daiquiri, which is blended with rum, strawberries, coconut pandan milk, sugar, and lime. Meje Kavi, a contemporary eatery with 2 private booths and local haute cuisine, is also located in Kudartar. It has a dedicated international DJ crew on staff that creates its own line of compilation records. 5. Double Six Rooftop at Double Six Luxury Hotel. One of the iconic locations at the Double Six Luxury Hotel in Seminyak is the Double Six Rooftop. It bears the illustrious name of the formerly bustling club that rose to prominence in Legion and Seminyak at the turn of the millennium. With its sunset reclining options offering breathtaking 180-degree views over Seminyak's coastline and sunsets, this fine dining establishment now caters to an upscale clientele. Refreshing options like the Salvador Sling, a wonderful combination of gold rum, creme de mure, ginger liqueur, fresh lime juice, pineapple juice, and Angostura bitters, are brought to your table from the bar. Round lounge pods with seats and pillows that comfortably seat 9 are located at the bar's edge, inside a small, awning-covered freeform pool. They work well for 2 as well. Weekly live performances complement the classy but laid-back atmosphere, which is complemented by cool jazzy tunes. 6. Potato Head Beach Club. One of Seminyak's trendiest hangout spots, also has something special to offer couples. The venue's amphitheater-like design includes a beachside bar and a flat, 500 square meter grass with an infinity pool on either side. You can escape together for a more private romantic sunset moment thanks to the occasional bar tables set up around the pool and the nearby sandy coast. The main Potato Head Bar and Bistro offers pastas, grills, and a variety of drinks, including a Bloody Mary with all the fixings on a tray that is influenced by Japanese cuisine. A fine dining restaurant serving haute cuisine is located on the top floor. 7. Moonlight Kitchen and Bar is found at the Anantara Seminyak. Bali is a fantastic semi-rooftop place in Seminyak. It is a chic location with fantastic views of the surf and sunsets, and it is situated on the resort's rooftop on the 5th level. It greets you with a variety of seating options. Choose seats in the main area's timber-decked space along the edge or under its slanted glass roof for the best views, or go deeper in for a bar and lounge with a variety of ambiances. The Moonlight Calamansi, a super refreshing summer beverage created with vodka and freshly squeezed calamansi lemon, is one of the best signature concoctions. 8. H8S at the Akmani Legion is a nice place to go up to and escape the bustling traffic scene of downtown Legion. It is located right on the rooftop of the Akmani Legion. It's also a fantastic alternate location to reach in time for Bali's stunning sunsets. The best feature of this location is that it has a jacuzzi bar, allowing you to bathe in a tub while sipping on a wonderful and fresh cocktail or an icy bottle of beer. There is a large dive pool near to a well-stocked bar, and the bar area is decked out with wood, water features, and lots of vegetation. 9. El Cabro Bali. In a laid-back cliff-top setting in Pekatu, El Cabro serves authentic Spanish food and a superb selection of unique cocktails. El Cabro adds to the possibilities for relaxing to amazing sunsets, away from the hordes of South Bali, with a freeform infinity pool as its focal point and a borderless edge overlooking some of Bali's favorite surf breaks. You enter the ocean-facing courtyard through a slightly arched doorway, where blue beanbags are scattered across the genuine beach sand that has been laid out around the white stone pool. As a result, a fantastical, floating, seashore landscape with chill beats and Ibiza-style sensations is created. Playlists are played, and the scene also frequently features live bands and guest DJs. 10. Cocoon Beach Club. A welcoming blue pool serves as the focal point of Cocoon Beach Club, a beautiful establishment on the corner of Jalan 66 that is flanked by white sun lounges. At night, Cocoon offers a terrific chill-out environment with inventive cocktails to match Seminyak's sunsets. By day, Cocoon is a calm pool refuge with sea views and embroidered traditional Balinese parasols. Cocoon Royale and Just Keep Swimming are two of its champagne and wine-based drinks that both incorporate real fruit and vodka. Make yourself comfortable on the sunset roof terrace for romantic early evenings. Under a sparsely placed timberwork canopy that acts as a shelter and an aesthetic skylight, you may settle into comfortable sofas that are positioned in a crescent in the center of this enormous, round platform, which has tables for two around its perimeter. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.